Hi there, Steve Willis of the Department of Classical and Archaeological Studies at the University of Kent. I'm just introducing myself to you. I'm a field archaeologist and lecturer, and my specialisms are the Iron Age, Celtic period, and the Roman period in Britain and Europe. One of the things that we do at Kent is we teach our students fieldwork methods. That's an option, it's not a requirement of your degree, but if you want to learn the skills and methods of field archaeology, that's what we can provide with our modules and also our placements on our training excavations. We're here today at BOURNE Park because this is one of the locations where we undertook our training excavation in 2016 with the students, and it was also about researching a Roman villa site here at BOURNE Park, just south of Canterbury. It's the only known Roman villa in the hinterland of Canterbury, which was of course a Roman city, and the villa lies in this area before me here, between the wooden pavilion, trees here, and with this nail-borne stream in front of us here going round to the Park Lake. This is a tremendous site, a classic site really for a Roman villa. We're in a valley bottom, we've got water here, it's picturesque, it's good agricultural land, relatively speaking. It's an attractive location, and it's no surprise that on this very site there is a 18th century country estate. Now, particularly why the villa was here is because just above us up here, on the tree line there on the horizon, lies the Roman road from Dover to Canterbury, and it's from that road that you would have seen this villa. This is one of the great thoroughfares of Roman Britain, from the port of Dover to Canterbury to London. One of the ideas of having a villa in the countryside is to be seen. You show off your wealth, your importance, your Romanitas, and it would be here to see for all those travellers passing by into and out of the province of Roman Britain. The villa was found here following up from aerial photographs. It was really ground truth by geophysical survey. Studying with us at Kent, you can learn all about those survey methods using geophysical equipment. We've got all the equipment you would need to locate archaeological sites, carry out sophisticated survey, pinpoint where you want to carry out the excavations. The excavations we conducted here located the late Roman baths of the residential complex, including the Roman plumbing, plunge pool, hypercourse, masses of tiles, Roman well. Very, very interesting site. And the other trench examined what is likely to have been perhaps a ceremonial building, which may also have had a religious function to it. So all sorts of interesting things going on here. So where our students went last year for their excavations with us were training excavation at Otford in Kent, looking at the Roman villa there, and also our excavation project in Lincolnshire, again looking at the Roman villa. All sorts of discoveries to be made. For the site here, do look at our blog, Our Neighbours the Romans. So if you Google Our Neighbours the Romans, you'll find out the story of this site and the excavation experience that the students had when they were here in 2016. It's very representative of what this is all about, and the learning and the discovery that can come from these types of projects. A great asset of field archaeology, teaching field archaeology alongside the classroom-based, lecture-based, practical lab work we do at the university campus, is it brings the point of discovery to the students. They learn the methods, they are discovering things at the point of a trowel, they're learning through those methods, and it's really exciting. There's no substitute for it. It brings the theory together with the practice, the understanding of how the sites were laid out, how the finds relate to those sites, and the wider picture of how people lived in the past. We've got 3 programs of study. You can study ancient history, you could do classical studies, you can do archaeological and classical studies, but whichever program of study you take, You will have the opportunity to participate in these sorts of excavations, field survey, discovery modules like that. If you want to take this as a formal module, you can do. The University of Kent is open for business and we'll be up and running in our full programme this September. So we look forward to greeting you with the start of the new term in September.